Hi. Welcome to my gig. I'm a professional graphic designer with over 6 years of work experience. I can bring creative ideas based on the special requirements of my clients. I will create unique, single or double-sided business card design for your activity or business purposes. Reasons to use my services: professionalism and high quality. Won't leave until fully satisfied about the design. Open-minded, you can come up with your own idea and I can make you something similar, or you can leave it up to me. Here's few sample. There are a wide range of colors and ideas will help you to choose the one you like more and use it in organization of your future event. If you want to have any other kind of services, don't hesitate to contact me. I would probably help you. Order now.